How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about the list of requirements that you guys need to be eligible for the American Express Gold Card. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So let's first talk about the benefits and perks that you get with the American Express Gold Card. So as you guys can see from my screen here, I'm currently on American Express's website, and here you can see what the Gold Card looks like. So let's first take a look at the overview features that this card offers. So the gold membership card comes with 24/7 customer service at any time, anywhere. So just basically ring them up and they will accommodate you. It also comes with everyday privileges. So this pertain to membership reward points and protection features that safeguard your points. So as you accumulate more and more, you're able to use them for future purchases with no downsides. And as for travel privileges, as you guys can see here, it comes with complimentary travel and inconvenience insurance protection, which I think is handy to have anyway, and global travel assistance for emergencies. So that's pretty cool. And to go more into detail about the key features, as you guys can see here, you get one membership rewards points for every dollar that you spend. But because I live in the Philippines, it's just saying PHP 45. But let's just pretend that that is $1. So with this, you can use your points to redeem from a wide array of exquisite rewards from shopping gift certificates. So these can be home appliances, gadgets, household furniture, and much more. You can also choose to enroll in the frequent traveler option, which lets you convert your membership rewards points into air miles. So by accumulating points, you're also able to use them for travel perks. And speaking of travel, let's talk about some of the key features that the gold card brings you with the travel category. So with this, you get travel accident protection, delayed flight departure, flight cancellation, missed connection, luggage delay, luggage loss, or baggage insurance. And yeah, that's all pretty cool. It also comes with financial flexibility. So stuff like low finance charges, cash advance, and automatic waiver of annual membership fee when you spend X amount in a year. So that's all pretty cool. It also comes with some shopping benefits like discounts and privileges, as well as purchase protection and whatnot. So let's now talk about the requirements that you guys will need to be eligible for the gold card. So if you click on apply now here, it'll actually show you what you guys need to be eligible for an application. So it says here that you need an income of 850,000 pesos annually, so per year. But this is only for my region. As for the U.S., though, if you guys are from the U.S., you would need at least $60,000 annually, as well as a positive relationship with American Express, meaning to say that you don't have any bad records with them, and it helps to have good credit too. So it says here that the recommended income has to be at least $60,000, but I've heard cases of people actually getting the gold card by having something lower than this amount, and I believe this is only to make sure that they know that they can you can pay off your credit, to know that there's a little extra headroom for any possible mishaps. So long as you guys have good credit and actually have the means to pay off your credit, you should be able to, or rather, you should be eligible for an American Express Gold Card. So to recap, you guys can just do conversion for this. You need to be at least 21 years old. You can provide supporting documents such as valid IDs, income documents, and proof of billing address to complete the application. And with that, the last thing you will need is a sum amount of money every year. So if you're from the US, at least $60,000. That's the amount that you need to be eligible for. That's the amount that you need annually to be eligible for the gold card. And Once you have everything in order and all the papers are ready, you can now start an application. So yeah, that's how much you guys need to apply for the American Express Gold Card. So if this video helped you guys out, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.